Welcome back to the Let's Get It Clean channel. Are you tired of searching everywhere for matching sheets to make your bed? Here is a simple solution to keep each bedding set together in a compact bundle, making it super easy to find a full set when you need it. There are plenty of ways to fold, but today I'm sharing my favorite, the tuck fold. It works for any size or type of bedding and keeps everything neatly in a bundle. So let's grab our bedding set and I'll walk you through, step by step, our bed in a bundle. We will need 2 pillow shams, 2 pillowcases, a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, a bed covering of your choice. Today we are using a quilt, a storage bag if you have one, and finally, some optional throw pillows. Folding sheets is easier with help, but since we're doing it alone, a made bed is the next best helper. Let's start with the pillow shams. Lay it flat with a pattern or right side down and smooth out any wrinkles. Fold the pillow sham in thirds lengthwise, aligning the corners and smoothing it out. Fold the top edge halfway, then bring the bottom edge to meet it in the middle. Fold and tuck the bottom into the top, adjusting and smoothing as needed. Repeat with the other pillow sham. Depending on the thickness or length of your bedding, you can fold in halves, thirds, or fourths, whichever makes the tuck fold easiest. In our next demonstration, since our pillowcases aren't as thick as the quilted pillow shams, I'll show you how to add a few extra folds. Lay the pillowcase flat with the pattern or right side down and smooth out any wrinkles. Fold the pillowcase in thirds lengthwise, aligning the corners and smoothing it out. Fold the top edge down a quarter of the way. Then fold the bottom edge up twice to meet the top edge. Finally, fold and tuck the bottom into the top, adjusting and smoothing as needed. Repeat with the other pillowcase. And that is it for our pillow shams and pillowcases. Now, let's get ready to tackle the infamous fitted sheet. With the right side facing out, hold the sheet lengthwise with your hands inside 2 adjacent corners. Pinch both corners and flip them inside out. Turn the fitted sheet around and place your hands into the corners with the wrong side facing out and the right side facing you. Bring both corners together and pinch the corners with your left hand. Then, fold the right corner over the left corner. Switch your left hand with your right. With your left hand, slide down the edge of the fitted sheet and tuck it into the last 2 corners. Forming an upside down U shape with the elastic edge. Again, bring both your corners together and pinch the corners with your left hand. Then, fold the right corners over the left corners. Lastly, switch your left hand with your right by bringing all the corners over your right hand. And lay your sheet down on the bed. Straighten and smooth out your fitted sheet. This should form a rectangle shape with the elastic edges forming an L shape. Fold the sheet lengthwise into thirds, starting with the thickest side. Ensure it's smooth and flat. Fold the flattest, what we call the top edge, halfway. Then fold the thickest bottom edge to meet in the middle. Smooth and flatten your folds. Finally, fold and tuck the bottom into the top, adjusting and smoothing as needed. folded fitted sheet. Next, let's fold our flat sheet. With the wrong side out, place the center of the sheet under your chin and fold it lengthwise, bringing the top corners together. Hold the raw edges in your left hand and the folded edge in your right and straighten. Release the folded edge and switch the raw corners to your right hand. With your left hand, align the raw edges of the sheet lengthwise until the bottom corners align. Fold the sheet in half widthwise by bringing the top corners in the right hand to meet the bottom corners in the left. Pick up the folded edges with your right hand. Straighten it out. Lay your folded sheet down with the top side of the bedding facing your bed. Fold the flat sheet lengthwise 3 times. Fold the top edge down 1/4 of the way. Then fold the bottom edge up twice to meet the top edge. Smooth and flatten the folds. Finally, fold and tuck the bottom into the top, adjusting and smoothing as needed. Now it's time to fold our bed covering. Whether it is a blanket, a comforter, a coverlet, a duvet, or a quilt, the choice is yours. Just make sure to use the tuck fold to create a pocket large enough to fit our entire bedding set. Now, let's fold the quilt. With the right side facing down, lay the quilt flat on the bed. Fold the quilt in half widthwise by bringing the top and bottom corners together. Then, pick up the folded edge and straighten it. Release the folded edge and switch the raw corners to your left hand. With your right hand, align the raw edges lengthwise until the bottom corners match. Lay the folded quilt straight across the bed, ensuring the raw edges remain aligned. Next, fold the quilt evenly 3 times and straighten. Fold the top edge down, then fold and tuck the bottom into the top, adjusting and smoothing as needed. Finally, we have our bed covering folded with a pocket large enough to fit all of our bedding. Now, let's pack our bedding set in a bundle. Place the 2 pillow shams, 2 pillowcases, fitted sheet, and flat sheet inside the bed covering pocket. Adjust and straighten as needed. And there you have it, your bed in a bundle. For extra protection, you can place the bundle in a storage bag with any matching throw pillows to help keep everything dust-free over time. Now look how easy that was. You have a neatly stored bedding set that's clean, easy to find, and ready to use at any time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. You can also visit the link in the description box below for our other tutorials. And remember, cleaning is a family affair. See you next time, and let's get it clean.